Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best acrylic liquids that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the SAVILAND Acrylic Nail Monomer Set. The SAVILAND Acrylic Monomer Set includes a 4-ounce acrylic liquid and a size 12 brush, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Its enhanced formula ensures strong fluidity and durability, allowing you to create beautiful acrylic nails that last over 28 days without yellowing. The premium brush provides excellent control, letting you mix the perfect ratio of liquid to powder for flawless application. This versatile set is great for various techniques, including nail extensions and repairs, ensuring you have everything you need to achieve salon-quality results at home. Moving on at number 4, we have the SAVILAND EMA Monomer Acrylic Liquid Kit. The SAVILAND Acrylic Liquid Kit is perfect for both beginners and professionals looking to create beautiful acrylic nails. With its upgraded EMA formula, this kit provides a healthy nail solution that resists chips and yellowing while minimizing odor. You'll appreciate the moderate drying time of 5 to 8 minutes, allowing you to work at your own pace. The included high-quality brush ensures precise application, making it easier to blend the acrylic liquid with powder for flawless results. This kit is designed to keep your nails looking vibrant for up to 30 days, offering durability and a stunning finish. At number 3, we have the Kiara Sky Professional Nails EMA Monomer Liquid. The Kiara Sky Professional Nails EMA Monomer Liquid is a self-leveling and MMA-free nail liquid that provides maximum adhesion for long-lasting and stunning nails. It is also HEMA-free, making it ideal for users with sensitivity to traditional acrylic monomers. This nail liquid can be used with any kind of acrylic and is 100% cruelty-free, preserving natural nail health and avoiding damage. For best results, use with Kiara Sky's all-in-one collection, made in the USA and available in a size of 8-ounce. At number 2, we have the VANSISOS Professional Acrylic Nail Liquid 8-ounce. VANSISOS Acrylic Nail Liquid offers professional-grade quality that helps strengthen your natural nails by forming a protective layer when used with acrylic powder. This means your nails are less likely to split or peel, giving you longer-lasting results. The formula stays clear without turning yellow, so your nails look fresh and vibrant for a long time. Applying this liquid is easy and smooth, making it ideal for beginners who want a flawless finish. Plus, it dries quickly in about 5 to 8 minutes, so you can enjoy durable acrylic nails that last over 28 days. Made with a safe EMA formula, it avoids harsh chemicals and has a low odor, making it more comfortable to use at home. And finally, at number 1, we have the Morovan Monomer Acrylic Nail Liquid. Morovan Nail Liquid is a professional monomer acrylic nail liquid that creates a protective layer, strengthens natural nails, and promotes stronger nails without split or peel. It provides flawless consistency, superior adhesion, and bubble-free application with exceptional strength, durability, and flexibility. The non-yellowing formula ensures color clarity and prevents yellowing or dulling, keeping nails bright and vibrant for weeks. With its slow drying time, corrections can be made easily. This MMA-free nail liquid is safe to use and perfect for DIY acrylic nails, nail extensions, and nail carving. No special nail art skills are required, making it easy for anyone to use and unleash their creativity to create stunning nail designs. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.